If you're interested in chemistry and you're watching this video, you know that Bunsen burner is important for chemical reaction. And for some of us, Bunsen burner will be easy to obtain, and for the rest of us, they may be hard to obtain due to limited resources. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a homemade Bunsen burner with household materials. First of all, you need a case. I'll suggest a glass casing, and I've gotten this nail polish I found around, so I washed it and I ended up with this container. Then you need a fuel. You can use acetone, methylated spirit, or kerosene, anyone you like. But I'm going to use methylated spirit. Now I'm going to transfer the spirit into the case. Next, you need a wick. And for the wick, I'm going to be using this rope. You can also use cotton wool or anything as long as it's an absorbent material. So now I'll put the wick into the container. Then I'll add this little foil of aluminum so that I can control the path where the fire will take. Then we'll allow the wick to absorb the fuel. So let's test it. See? To guarantee that it works, I've already used this in some of my other videos, and in my upcoming videos, I will show you when I use it. So subscribe for more videos like this.